Gotta get one quick record of the day, which is Memorial Day. There's Brandon. What's up? Memorial Day. Quarantine style. I'm sipping on something. Might go in the hammock or not. Oh shoot, we just cleaned out the pool. Pool's cool for school. Woo, it's ready. Turn this water off. Kneel. I even put little dabs of bleach in there, cause don't want to get wet. Little dabs of bleach, cause it was terrible. It was super. Ooh, what's that? Oh shit. Oh man. Oh, that's tight. I think that's an eagle. Or a hawk. What is this? I ain't even got it on camera. So that's how terrible I am. I don't know what that is. But something. What's that bird? Let's see if this is a hawk or something. Go look at it. I got it on camera. Okay. Cast a big shadow too. I don't know. Somebody help me. It just lands on the deck. Anyways, it's gone. All right. This is a Memorial Day. That was a memorable moment of Memorial Day 2020. Bryce's birthday is tomorrow, so I gotta go get him a gift. I'll order something in the mail. It's probably not gonna be here, so I gotta do curbside pickup. I think it's like it was a big hawk or something.
Cool.
Or an